Hi, it's Rick from Vintage Camper Rescue. Today I'm talking to you about pulling that skin off and how these pieces fit up in there. If you come and look over here, you can see I got all the screws removed. So make sure you get all the screws removed that you can see. And you can see how this is going up inside of there. It's just sliding right up in there. That's a joint right there. That makes it waterproof because the water comes down, comes over top and can't go upside. That's how it's going to be on all these seams on the sides and on the back. So because I got all the screws removed, I just come and all you gotta do is pull straight down and then it comes out. So you wanna do that, then you wanna mark it. So you make sure you know right where it goes. And then you can see here this next piece, if you can look closely, there's they got staples in here. So to remove the next piece, we're gonna have to pull these staples out. You gotta get something behind here, try getting them out. I tried here, you can see that it's kind of hard. A lot of times it's gonna tear after a while, just staple a different place. We're gonna remove these staples, and then the next piece will come down. So that's the whole process of removing the skin. Bottom, working your way up. Just remember, you gotta take those staples out, and it's gonna slide down. Make sure you got all the screws like on the back here, all the side screws removed, and then it should just come right down as soon as you get these staples out. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.